Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will explain another way to get rid of impurities stuck in silver metal, and how to obtain a pure alloy. One method to remove impurities from silver involves electrolysis. You can create a solution with a silver salt, like silver nitrate, and immerse the silver object. When an electric current is applied, impurities migrate to the solution. To obtain a pure alloy, precise mixing of pure metals is essential, followed by controlled heating and cooling processes to ensure a homogeneous compositio. But in this video, I will use a very easy method to get rid of impurities stuck to silver, such as lead, copper, and other really unwanted metals. Add less than 20% of water to the metal. Then add more than 80% of nitric acid and leave it overnight. Warning: the process shown in this video involves highly corrosive acids and should only done outside or in a fume hood. Using safety gear such as gloves, goggles, and a respirator is mandatory. The next day we will wash it several times. Then we will add water and nitric acid again, in the same amount as the previous time. This process can be repeated at least 3 times and then washed well after each time. To obtain a nice silver ingot, you can melt silver using a furnace or torch. Ensure proper safety measures, use a crucible, and melt the silver until it's fully liquefied. Then, pour the molten silver into a mold to let it solidify into the desired ingot shape. Remember to follow appropriate safety. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Remember that the videos we present on this channel are primarily educational and can be useful for learning new skills or completing complex tasks. In order to purchase some suitable equipment for smelting or detecting metals, you can visit this site. Find the link in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.